So we are inside. Let's make it a beautiful day. So you move it up, and then when you turn this thing, it goes like hitting it. That's what's up.
The first of these occurred in the 1890s. The Montreal Victorians won 5 seasons in a row, from 1895 to 1899.
Okay, we're in the studio. Let's talk about today's game. What happened in the game today? Like, I think they shot too many times. They lost, or the percentage went all down. So that's what's up in the game. Let's see the second half. Let's go. First time ever. I never played this.
Let's go. I was suck.
That was super hard, man. First time ever. So, learning, getting the skills out there.